Hello, dear viewers. Jest here with another crucial update, especially for our healthcare professionals and aspiring nurses and midwives. The Ministry of Health has just released an important announcement regarding the recruitment of nurses and midwives in 2024. So, if you're in the healthcare field or looking to join, stay tuned for the latest information. In a recent statement, the Ministry of Health revealed that they are actively working towards addressing the concerns of the coalition of nurses and midwives in the northern region. This coalition has expressed dissatisfaction with the perceived lack of action in granting financial clearance and ensuring permanent employment for over 75,000 graduate nurses and midwives. To expedite this process, the Ministry of Health is scheduled to meet with the Ministry of Finance on Monday, March 11th. The primary goal is to accelerate the financial clearance and recruitment for unemployed nurses, addressing the backlog that has accumulated over time. Baah Ofei, the public relations officer of the Health Ministry, emphasized the importance of patience from the concerned group during an interview with City News. He stated, "The ministry has recruited a significant number of nurses and has accumulated a backlog. We require clearance from medical doctors and dentists who have completed their training, so we have been working diligently to address these issues." Mr. Ofei further added, Chief Director, Alhaji Hafiz, has called for an urgent meeting between the ministry and the Ministry of Finance to explore ways to expedite this process. Although the meeting was initially planned for later this week, we are hopeful to convene as early as Monday to chart a path forward. This collaborative effort between the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Finance underscores their commitment to resolving the concerns raised by nurses and midwives. The ultimate goal is to streamline the recruitment process for the benefit of the healthcare sector. Now, for those eager to apply when the portal is opened, simply click the link provided and follow the prompt. And here's a crucial reminder from the Ministry of Health: they do not charge for recruitment or posts. All applicants are respectfully encouraged not to pay for this recruitment. If anyone demands money, report them to the ministry's chief director. Click the link in the description to start. That's a wrap for this update, folks. If you found this information helpful, share it with your friends in the healthcare field. For more updates, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and thank you for tuning in. This is Jest, signing off.